Welcome to my latest video on Cryptohopper. Today I am going to answer your question, how long will it take to double my money? Well, I'm using the best crypto bot out there, and I have some incredible settings in my secret sauce, and to get those settings all you have to do is sign up for Cryptohopper through my link below this video, and you will get them for free. You will also get access to my Skype and my Telegram, and also using my link you will get a discount when you use the coupon code Cryptohopper in all caps. Alright, so how long will it take to double your money in Cryptohopper? Shall we do some simple maths? Yeah, you up for that? Alright, so I'm going to come across to Compound Daily website, and I'm going to put in $10, and I want to know if I can double my money in 70 days, and I've already done the calculation, so I know I can. Alright, so $10 turns into $20 with 1% profit made every 1 day compounded. Alright, so it's like you giving me $10 and then the next day me giving you back $10.10. Then you give me the $10.10 back, and then the next day I give you another 10 cents back on top of your $10. So after 2 days you're up to $10.20, and if you keep doing that for 70 days you'll eventually get to $20. Alright, so you've doubled your money. So let's change that into $100 and see if 70 days is all you need to double your money. Well, I've already done the calculation, so I know you can. There you go, $200 in 70 days, and that's the calculation there. Alright, you give me that $100, and the next day I give you, I give you $101. Yeah, 101. Hang on, is that right? Yes, that's right. Because there you go. I should be looking here, not here. That's the profit. All right, and that is the total amount after the profit is added to the principal amount. All right. So after 70 days, I mean after 10 days, you know, you're up to $1.09 profit per day. Alright, so you're up to $110 after 10 days, and the profit is growing slightly every day because this principal number, you know, you're adding 1% onto this, and then you're adding 1% onto this, and then you're adding 1% onto that. This is compounding, guys. So get to 70 days and there you go, $200. You've doubled your money. Let's try $500. Again, I've already done this calculation, so I know it's 70 days. Silly me. 500 in there. Alright, so $500 can be turned into $1,003 in 70 days, and we'll start off with $5 per day profit. $5, $5, $5.10, $5.15, $5.20. You know what I mean? And obviously, using a trading bot to do this, you're going to need to pay for the trading bot every month, unless you get a yearly plan which works out cheaper. Alright, but if you're only starting with $500, my guess is that you don't have enough to go for a yearly plan, so you'd have to do it monthly, I suppose. Alright, let's go to $1,000 and then we'll try out $5,000. okay, $70 can be doubled to $2,006. Sorry, $1,000 doubles up to $2,006 in 70 days, and you'll be starting off with around $10 of profit per day, which grows slightly every day because your principal amount the previous day was there. Alright, so a little experiment. 5,000 just quickly. How long would it take at 0.5% to get to? Would it take 140 days, or would it be a different calculation? We'll soon find out. Alright, so 5,000 could be turned into $100,033 in 70 days. That's incredible, isn't it, guys? So look, you've got $5,000. 1% of 5,000 is $50. There you go. There's your $50. Add it to your 5,000. Now you've got 5,050. Now you're going to add 1% onto 5,050, and you get $50.50, and that adds to that. So after 2 days, you've got $100 profit. If you keep going for 70 days, did I say 100,033? Silly me. $10,033. Okay. Now then, that little experiment. Let's start with $1,000 again. And let's say we're only getting 0.5%, which is way too easy. Alright. My settings in the secret sauce get an average of 1.05% interest over the days. Sometimes 0%, sometimes 2%, sometimes 4%, rarely 5% profit on my whole principal number, you know. So how much will it still double the money with 0.5%? I don't think so. Different calculation. Right, so yeah, it's added $417. So how long would it take to double your money with only 0.5? I'm guessing it's going to be more than 140 days with 0.5% per day. Alright, yeah. It is just slightly less. About 139. Yes. 139 days at 0.5% interest or profit per day from $1,000, and you will end up with $2,000 in 139 days. Alright, so that is the calculation for that. You'd be on $5 a day profit. Sometimes you'd get $0 because you get 0%, but then the day after that you might get $15 or $20, you know, which makes up for the $0 days. Yeah. Alright, so maybe you get 0.1% profit one day, and the next day you get 0.7%, or the day after that you get 3%. It all kind of averages out, guys, but I've got my average to 1.05% with my secret sauce settings. So let's see how long it would take to double this. Well, that's 70 days. That's 68 days. Let's try 65. Not enough. 67. 66, I think would be just under. Yeah. So 67 days to turn $1,000 into $2,000, $2,013 in 67 days. That's just over 2 months to double your money. Just going on 1.05% interest per day. I haven't managed to get a higher average than 1.05. Don't think I've ever managed that. But I do know for a fact I've got up to 5% profit in one day. It just does not happen every single day. It's a rare occurrence, if you know what I mean. So guys, obviously the more you put in the bot, the more you can make. If you've got $10,000, 67 days at 1.05, 20,000. 2 months and 1 week. 2 months and 1 week. So what's that in weeks? It's 9 weeks, isn't it? 9 weeks to turn $10,000 into $20,000. How much in a year? Is that enough, guys, from 10 grand? Is it enough for you? Alright, my settings, secret sauce, link below the video. You've got to be mad if you don't get it, because it's free. All you've got to do is sign up for Cryptohopper with my link. Now, how much should you start with? As much as you can, obviously. Coming into the next proper bullish phase for Bitcoin, after the halving, is going to be especially bullish. Alright, a 1.05% after then per day average is very easy. Yeah, it's normal. Alright, under the video on my channel, let me just bring it up for you. Alright, if you go to any of my Cryptohopper videos, such as this one, my latest one there, and underneath it, guys, you will see the link there. Click that link. It takes you to my page on my website. Alright, watch this short video which tells you how to contact me on Skype so I can give you the secret sauce personally. Alright, once I've checked my affiliate dashboard to see that you've registered for an account. Alright, once you watch that 2-3 minute long video, go down here, click this link. Make sure that's in the URL. Watch this, 15412. It appears and then it disappears, which is completely normal. Alright, you'll only see it for a second. Then that makes sure that you are logged in using my affiliate link. And then once you buy a plan, you qualify for the secret sauce, and I'll let you into the Telegram and the Skype. And you will also get a discount on your first plan for Cryptohopper, and all you have to do is use the coupon code Cryptohopper in all caps. Alright, so are we gonna make some money, guys? Are we gonna make some money? Of course we are. We're gonna make loads of money for the next year or so while the bull run's going strong. Alright, will you make money every single day? No, nobody's saying that. Sometimes things go into the red and you have to wait, but the good days, the extremely good days, make up for the bad days. They more than compensate. It balances out very nicely. Yeah, it brings you back into profit. So you can get a 3% day that makes up for 3 days where you had 0%, and you can have them. So if you start the bot and Bitcoin, you know, if Bitcoin's let's say Bitcoin's here, when you start the bot, Bitcoin starts coming down for the next few days, you know, you can have a few crappy days there. It's nobody's fault. Nobody's wrong. It's just that Bitcoin came down after you started the bot, and it already bought some things, and it comes down. It has to do DCAs down here on the altcoins that you bought with the bot. It's alright, don't worry about it. But if you'd have got in here, or even here, you'd be fine. You'd be thinking it's great. The first few days you go, wow, awesome profits. But if you start here and it all comes down, over the next week or so you're going to be going, my God, this is crap. I'm selling everything and I'm leaving crypto forever. Don't do that, guys. Oh my God, don't do that. Alright? We are going to be in for a mega bull run coming soon. This is the quiet before the storm, guys. Yeah, I've seen this before. I've seen this in 2017. I've seen it in 2019, 2020, and now I'm seeing it for the third time. I know what happens, guys, from experience. Yeah, almost 8 years in crypto, 6 years with Cryptohopper. All right, secret sauce link below the video. Cryptohopper. Get your discount on the first plan that you get. Contact me on Skype. Jim, I've just got Cryptohopper through your link. Can I have the secret sauce, please? If I'm awake, if I'm there, you know, sometimes I'm asleep. I am human. I'm not a crypto trading bot. Sometimes I'm asleep when you message, because it's a worldwide thing, this. You might be in a different country, different time zone. Just leave me a message in Skype, and as soon as I see it, I'll reply to you. Okay? Fair enough? Like, comment and subscribe, guys, and if you want to be extra helpful, share this video on your social. Alright? I'll see you again in the next video. Let's make some profits, guys. Let's make some profits. Look at that one there. 5% profit on almost $10 there. That's 50 cents, isn't it? Almost. It's about 45 cents. 46 cents, alright? Lots of those little trades happening every day, you know. Multiple trades adding on, making that 1.05% per day. Alright, guys. Enough waffle. Click that blooming link below the video. Stop being a madman. Get Cryptohopper through my link. Alright? Or else I'll come round and sort you out. Ta-da, guys. Bye-bye.